Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. For today's video, I am going to be reviving dry and damaged hair. Look, I've got all bits in my hair as well. Look at my hair. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, okay. So as you can see, my hair's not flopping like it. Look, it's just stuck in the air. It's so dry. It's got bits and it's dry. Let me just zoom in. And I've got bits in my hair, like, what the heck is that? Ah, like a bird's nest. This is only day one. This is the first day after doing the Pantene review. So really, on day two, I mean, yeah, it shouldn't be like this. There's lots of frizz, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that frizz. Yeah, my hair looks terrible. It's not the same Mel hair. And to add to it, I went on holiday, and most of you who follow me on Instagram watched my my stories on my holiday, and I was burning my hair. So it's not just Pantene, I have to say, it's not just Pantene that has left my hair dry. My hair is a little bit damaged. So reason why I wanted to do this video is because I wanted to show you a few simple little steps, some DIYs also, that will be able to give you instant recovery. So if you want to see how I managed to revive this dry hair to a much more moisturized and manageable, luscious, curly, well-defined hair, then stick around. First of all, how are you guys doing? For those of you who are doing the 3rd month hair growth challenge with me, if you're not sure and you're not on this challenge, I'll leave a link up here for a video that I did that showed how I mixed together the DIY for the Pre-Poo, which is infused with lots of rich Ayurvedic powders and a lot of other stuff. So for now, I'm going to be doing a Pre-Poo with that concoction I have it here. As you can see, it looks disgusting and it smells awful because it's got neem oil in, and if any of you worked with neem oil, you know that it absolutely pongs. It really stinks. First, again, have a look at the video here to see what's in the ingredients that's in it. Please put down in the comments, how do you make this DIY Pre-Poo. I'm leaving the video here for you, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is, although I don't want to strip my scalp once again, I think for this particular time, I'm just going to be infusing my hair with a lot of moisture. So first of all, before I continue, this has been warmed. I have warmed it up in the microwave, so it is nice and warm. After I put it on, I shall come back. So I'm going to speed up this part. You know me, I don't like my video to be boring. Eh? Oh, this stinks. Oh, this, I'm lost for words. This is really stinky. Oh boy. Oh Lord, revive my hair. Oh, and revive me once again. Revive my hair. Revive me once again. Revive me. I'm just making up the song. Okay, so I've done it now. It's very, very messy. Shouldn't have done it over the bath. Had to do it off camera because it was just going everywhere. So right now I'm going to be leaving this on my hair under the heated cap for about 15 minutes, and then I have to do 1 or 2 other things, so I probably will be having this on my hair for about an hour, no doubt. And then I'll come back and show you exactly what I'm going to be doing next, because trust me, I think there's going to be a revival on my hair. I can just feel it. I can just feel it. I know there is going to. I'm going to raise hands and say hallelujah to Jesus. I can see it now. Hey. And now I'm just going to put my hot, oh, that's a little bit hot, my hot head, I think it's called Magic Jelly cap. I've already bunged this in the microwave, and I'm now going to put it on my head so that I can go about my business and still get a deep condition as I go. Right guys, so I'm back, and I can definitely say this is so much better than when I rinsed out the conditioner of the Pantene 3-Minute Miracle. Oh, it's a relief. My hair feels so moisturized. So what I did was I rinsed out the black rice water DIY, and then I dolloped on a bit of Cream of Nature conditioner and just gave my hair a little bit of a co-wash, and then I kept it on for 10 minutes. And look here, let me show you. Look, you can see my hair is back to normal. Loving my hair already, and it's not even dry. So I'm gonna come back and show you the result when it's completely dry. So my hair's already drying quite quickly. I've got high porosity hair, so before it completely dries, I'm gonna put a bit of the leave-in conditioner. I've got here the leave-in conditioner by Amari Me, and of course, the Mel's Butter Me Up. I have chosen to put these two in because I know what my hair likes, I know what my hair really thrives off, and at this point I don't want to try anything else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in, completely saturate my hair, and then I will come back when it's all dry. This is one thing I love about the Mel's Buttermilk Cream, amongst many things I love about it, is that it completely starts to melt as soon as it touches your hand, and it acts as a sealant. Even though it's a butter, it kind of seals in like an oil. I'm just gonna go around the Mel's Buttermilk. You can see why I'm getting excited. It's starting to come back. My hair has returned. Okay, me think me are done. Look at that, look how juicy it looks, how lovely and defined. I didn't shingle my hair, I didn't use a Demon brush, I just did sandwich hand method, and beautiful, hey! Right, I'm gonna let my hair dry and I'll come back when it's completely done, right? My hair's back on. Look, let me just tell you how easy my hair is falling nicely. Look, the fringe is lying, yeah, by the eyebrows instead of like that. My hair just feels great, it feels soft again, feels really well moisturized. Hey, the hair is back, hey? And I haven't even picked my hair out. Can't wait for day 2 and day 3, because you know it's going to look very big. Big hair, I don't care. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is how I get dry and crusty summer hair back to looking moisturized, really defined. It's healthier, and that's all I care about. If your hair has unfortunately managed to get damaged or dry over the summer months, I can't stress enough, a DIY is what you need. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you picked up some little tips somewhere along the line. Well, guys, I'm going now. I'm just going to love on my hair, put it up in a pineapple and my satin bonnet on, and I'm gonna say goodnight. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you managed to stay to the end, thank you very much. And before I go, I would like to hear in the comments from you. What do you do to get your hair revived again when it's really, really dry, or if you've got some kind of damage? What is it you do? What do you put on your hair? Or do you just mix up these concoctions and just pray to God that it will come out looking beautiful, eh? I don't know, what do you do? Let me know in the comments. I would like to learn a little bit more. And thank you to my lovely online friends. That's your online cuddle. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your love, your support and your care and all of your conversation. Keep that coming. Guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for your time. I really, really appreciate it. I will see you again in my next video. Take care and God bless you.